Today I have some news for you. So it's finally here, our quick release system for the MotoBags. With this system, you no longer have to worry about having your MotoBags permanently fixed to your pannier racks like it has been until now. So if we take a closer look on how the quick release system works, we start off at the bottom. There are two durable rack hooks that position and hold the MotoBag in place to keep it from falling down. Secondly, you have two horizontal alignment brackets that center the MotoBag in place to keep it from slipping forwards or backwards as you accelerate or brake. And lastly, we have the main locking latch. Inside the latch itself, we have a plastic bracket that pushes against the pannier rack to keep the MotoBag firmly attached without rattling. And if you have flat racks on both sides of your bike and not an offset side like I have here, the quick release system can of course be converted to fit accordingly by simply removing this offset spacer. And if you place your order of MotoBags after the 1st of April this year, the quick release system will come pre-installed and you don't have to worry about retrofitting it, which by the way is fully possible if you already own a set of MotoBags. And that's it for me guys, hope you liked this rather short video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up to help us out. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Ride safe.